Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using FIL. FIL is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Filecoin, FIL, and Tezos, XTZ, set historic record in their pre-sales. Firepin, FRPN, pre-sale rise 10% overnight. It is possible to buy new crypto at a far lower price by participating in pre-sales to make the best gains. We can see this when we look back at Filecoin, FIL, and Tezos, XTZ, historic pre-sale figures. Newcomer Firepin, FRPN, aspire to be on these levels and hit huge figures in their pre-sale, which has just started. Due to great demand, cryptocurrency pre-sales shutter sell out within minutes of their start. You'll want to keep an eye on the clock when the pre-sale begins again. One pre-sale you don't have to look too far for is Firepin, FRPN. Their pre-sale began just over a week ago, and early investors are already reaping the rewards. One of the newest cryptocurrencies, Firepin token, FRPN, has a lot of potential for development in 2022. Firepin will provide access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, Sol, and Avalanche, AVAX, FRPN. Several solutions will be combined. It's important to note that due to the token's unimpressive performance, a lot of investors have preferred to walk off cutting losses. Investors who bought the token in the bear market of September 2021 must have been feeling guilty now. Also, it's interesting to note that even though there has been an increase in volume at some points, the price hasn't responded to it at an equal level. RSI, at the time of writing, stood at the 49 mark looking south. Notably, technicals make it obvious to understand that the current market isn't offering buy the dip opportunity. But what about the metrics? Well, the price chart may not be able to show the latent money-making opportunity. But on-chain metrics reveal the true picture. And, in the case Filecoin, the scenario looks dull and worrisome. The on-chain volume has been decreasing unexpectedly. Even though there have been a few upticks in 2022, but none of it could match the highs of 2021. This clearly reveals that traders have been exiting their positions. In fact, the long-term holders have also been choosing to sell their tokens. For investors' sentiment to stay strong, the coin's social dominance plays an important role if any one machine fails or stops working. Security for security, each copy of data is encrypted, sliced, and stored with multiple redundancies in nodes across the network. Only the private key can get the data, decrypted, and view it with digital currency. And because the data is stored decentralized, any intruder trying to hack into these storage nodes will only get a portion of the data, not the entire data file. Scalability: the number of decentralized storage nodes is infinitely scalable, and each node can flexibly adjust the storage capacity and quality according to its resources. Fairness: with the emergence of millions of decentralized nodes, the market will be more competitive and open. Powerful centralized storage providers cannot control the cost of data storage, which will enable fairer pricing for the entire storage service market, and promote nodes to improve the quality of storage services. Comparison of four decentralized price of the underlying asset often fluctuates sharply. Take Bitcoin as an example. At the beginning of the delivery, the price reached a low point below $52,000, and then rose back to the pre-delivery level, $60,000 line, within a week. Despite the large price fluctuations, the direct impact on the market is still minimal. From the perspective of historical volatility, the historical volatility of spot and futures is still steadily declining, indicating that the general market view has not been affected, and the failure of the organized short in March further proves that the anti-risk ability of mainstream digital assets is increasing on the daily, strengthening market confidence. From the perspective of market volume and skewness, the mainstream currency market is also in a neutralized state. The low volatility of Bitcoin option skewness between 0 to 10 indicates that the market is not responding to the current macro situation. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, FIL, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, FIL rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term FIL price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. FIL price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, FIL is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore FIL could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. FIL has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. FIL is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. FIL price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. FIL is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average FIL price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, FIL's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. FIL price prediction 2027. FIL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2020.